Crunchyroll app allows you to delete or clear your history. Wanna know how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. So first of all, tap on it. Tap on the search or type web address. Insert here crunchyroll.com. This will take you to the homepage of the Crunchyroll website itself. On the top right corner, you can see that I am already logged in and I do have a profile of my own. So make sure to get logged in just like me, and you'll get an option of login next to queue instead of profile on the top right corner. After getting login, you can keep it into a desktop site for better resolution. So to do it, tap on this three-dotted straight line on the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on desktop site so you can see you're already onto your desktop site. Zoom in and tap on queue option next to profile on the top right corner. And on the top left corner, you'll see an option of history next to my queue. Tap on history. On the top right corner, you have an option of clear history. Remove your entire viewing history. Tap on clear history with this blue text. If you're sure you want to clear your history, tap on OK next to cancel. Just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully removed all of your history. That means your viewing history is not available. This is it. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.